Alright, let's see what comes in a Cricut iron-on starter kit. It says it includes 4 sheets, 12 by 12 glitter iron-on in black, gold, silver, and red, a weeder tool, cut-ready designs, and an instruction sheet. So if we remove the outside sleeve, it comes in a box, which is kind of handy because it's sort of like a drawer. And as you can see, we've got the weeder tool right here to remove the excess vinyl, or in this case, the transfer. We have some instructions, some cut-ready designs that you can redeem from the website, directions in a few different languages to make a project. And the rolls of iron-on. We've got black, silver, red, and gold, and they're all the glitter surface. Once again, you can use this box when you're done. Slide it back in and store away your project materials. Got this on Amazon. It is the Cricut brand iron-on starter kit.